everybody, it's your boy Marshall again with a new video. Just want to talk a little bit about what's going on now on the channel. I still do RCs and I still do model kits and stuff. I just want to do everything, all cars. I kind of want to jump start it with my car, and it's even though I had the car for a while, it's I want to start back up with it and mosquitoes. Start back up with it and make it a project and try to build on it. Get right to it. It is the morning, so you'll see a little frost on it. But here is my 2013 BMW 328. The hood and the roof need a little bit of work. The clear coat's starting to come off, but we got a fix for that. But we'll just walk you through what we got going on so far. We got the in-style mirror caps with the sequential mirrors. I'll show you more of that. Show a little clip there. We also got the GTS tail lights that do the little dance. Should have got that in the beginning of the video. And then I was able to put dual exhaust quad tips, and I think it sounds pretty good, especially for a 4-cylinder. But yeah, it sounds really good. That's pretty much it for the outside. I mean, I've had this car for about going on for almost 4 years, and she has been nothing but faithful. So we're gonna go in real quick. Don't mind the mess. So I do have Apple CarPlay in there. Just have to hook the phone in. Have to add that in after the fact. But here I have like the little lights. Normally they're orange, but I was able to have them where it changes, and I have a remote for that, so I can change them to red. Let's see if it works. No, I think the battery's dead. Oh yeah, there we go. White, cayenne, yellow, red, but my favorite is blue. I love the color blue, so that gives a nice little subtle touch. And then that's on pretty much every door. So that's pretty much it. The spoiler also needs some work. It is full carbon fiber. And you can see where the color coats start to come out. I got a plan for that. I'm gonna paint this all black here and then leave it carbon fiber at the bottom. I think that looks pretty cool. Also got the carbon fiber tips. Same thing's happening, but we're gonna paint those. So the goal for this build is pretty much just to get it back to better than what it was, but we're trying to do that on a budget. So that's pretty much it. I mean, we had a head start on it, but you know, life happens. So we'll get it going. We'll get it back to its glorious self. And like I said, I don't really plan on getting rid of this car. I'm gonna keep this car forever, knock on wood. But like I said, I mean, it's a fun car. I mean, it's not the fastest car, but it's quick for what it is. I have a lot of fun with it. So next day we're gonna go ahead and wash the car and kind of clean it off, and then I can probably show you the hood and the roof later on, and so you can actually see what I was talking about. It's kind of hard with the moisture the car is outside. I hate that it's outside, but eventually it'll be garaged. Eventually. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get it washed and see what we can do and get it a little pretty. All right.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
there she is, all clean. Just been washed off. You can probably see a little bit. I haven't dried the car off yet, but you can see how the clear coat's like not as shiny as say like this part is, but it's like a little ashy looking. Once it's fully dry, it looks really good. And then the same thing with the roof, with the hood, sorry. This, I think I'm just gonna replace the hood with the same paint coat. Here, I'm probably gonna end up either painting or wrapping it. I haven't decided yet. This, you can probably see like the clearness is starting to go. I'm gonna get that painted. Probably paint those the same as time I paint the wing here. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and then keep posted and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.